for you.
All for you. Freedom!
Keep your ears to the ground.
Talking about freedom!
Well, that is not the results I expected. The only thing I can think of is the GY6 does not need that much fuel because the rolling wrench pump works great on it. The vacuum pumps are obviously way faster, but at 8,000 RPM and full open throttle, your bike's not creating any vacuum. These tests were done at closed throttle at idle. I'm super happy with my rolling wrench electric fuel pump. The bike starts fast, it starts every time, and it's faster on the top end, and it just runs great. But if you're having problems with your vacuum pump, my suggestion is to get the pump down low by the tank and make sure you have absolutely no leaks in the vacuum system and run the vacuum line just to the pump.